Hey, hello everyone. Right, this is BarberD, and today I'm going to show you how to do a medium fade. Tune in, enjoy the video, and see you all soon. 1 to 4. A professional barber must use neck strips. First of all, create the fade line that you're going to work from. As you can see, it's a medium fade, so it's in the mid section of the head. Do it in an upwards motion in order to be able to fade the line out. A bit of powder on the back of the head, it doesn't hurt it. It actually helps to reduce friction, and it leaves them with less redness and less sores, because the back of the head hair is a very sensitive area of the head. Right, here we have is a number 2 guard. I put that on now. Click it on, number 2, and now we're going to do the upper part. This is an accurate medium fade where it's symmetrical 360 degrees by the time I've finished this line. So yes, medium fade, here we go. Here we go, number 1 all the way around. You control the machine does not control you. So you keep doing this motion that I'm doing here. Do not go too high up. This is about eye and hand coordination. Right, as you can see, I'm using the gauge open blade and now close blade. Here we go, open and close. I have it open now, and now we fade up the upper half of it. You know, don't go too high up, but you're blending, blending, blending all the way around. Blend. Right, next we have a half guard, which is just above a 0.5. Blend out the line and above, open the blade, the higher you go, close the blade, the more you're closer to the line. Now I'm going a bit higher with that. Here we go. Open the blade, close the blade. We're going to close it now, and we're going to concentrate on the lower parts. This is very important. If you are right-handed, a professional barber must always have a comb or a brush in a left hand. Right, now we are going to fade the line out with a 0.5 open blade. Here we go. Fade just above the line gradually, and the higher you go, you use a 0.5. Now 0.2 on the line, fading all the way around gently. Don't forget to use your comb or your brush. I'm opening the blade a bit more, so it's like a 0.3, and in the middle, and now we brush, and now that line that I just showed you with my finger, 0. Time to get the line out. 0, 0.5, the higher you go, 0 on the line, 0.2, 0.3, brush the hair so you can see what you're doing. Right, fading the line away now with a 0.02 on the line, and now I've opened the blade to 0.5, and I go a little bit higher and fade it upwards. The higher you go, you open the blade, and now I close the blade, let's say halfway, just to hit the line out. Fade the line on the line, fading away that line. Now 0.2 again to get this line area out. Fade it in gently, don't go too high because it's a 0.0 or 0.2. And then you open it to go higher, 0.5 now, and you're fading. Little by little you do it. Now that line needs a 0.0 or 0.2. Fade it gently, 0.2, 0.2, as I go higher, 0.5. Right, I'm closing the blade to 0. Trying to get this line out. I made a bit of a mistake here. It's hard to get the line out. That's why I say to gently make your line and not too hard. Anyway, we're going to fix that because I'm professional now. Number 2, going upwards. Here we go. The higher you go, the number 2, that is fine on those darker areas. Okay, number 2 we have right here. We put the number 2 on, and now we go higher with it to get the upper parts and fade, fade, fade. Higher, higher, higher. You keep fading. Keep going on the you know, getting the dark bits out. It's very important. And you stick to that until you see the development and the change. Keep fading. Keep fading. You can go, when you're using the number 2, you can go quite high with it, but not too high. Now on the markup, we're using the T outliner, and it's done. Simple. Do not take the hairline back. Finished. Completed haircut. Hope you like it all. Yes, everybody, thank you so much for watching the medium fade video. And if you want to like, follow, subscribe, Instagram and TikTok, the link is down below. See you all soon. Take care.